maths class and today we'll do perimeter and area of rectilinear figure. So in this chapter we will learn how to find the perimeter and area. Perimeter and the area are the terms related to mensuration. They play an important role in many activities. Suppose we have to find out the perimeter of the park, then we will add the sides of it. But with the help of the formula we can find the perimeter of the park easily. अगर मैं formula पता है तो हम easily perimeter calculate कर सकते हैं. Suppose the measure of the sides of the rectangular park is 100 meter and 90 meter respectively, and we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter rectangle का perimeter होता है 2 into length plus breadth. So we'll put the respective values and find the perimeter. So perimeter of the park is 380 meter. If we have to find the area, length into breadth, 100 into 90, 9,000 meters square. So you can see with the help of the formula you can find the perimeter and area of park easily. First we'll take perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of length of all side of plane figure, that is called perimeter of the figure. Or the perimeter is the total distance covered along the boundary. Boundary के along जो भी total distance cover होती है, that is known as the perimeter for a closed figure. Perimeter of triangle. The perimeter of triangle is the sum of length of all three sides. So perimeter of triangle PQR, PQ plus QR plus RP unit. All three sides. Perimeter of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Let the length of the rectangle PQR is L unit और B जो breadth है वो B unit है. Then the perimeter equals to क्या हो जाएगा PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP means L plus B plus L plus B. So 2L plus 2B. 2 will take as common. So L plus B. 2L plus B unit. Next is perimeter of square. All sides of squares are equal in length. Let the length of each side of square is x unit. So perimeter AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, x plus x plus x plus x, 4x unit. Or the perimeter of square 4 into length of one side. Here list of formulas. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle 3 into length of one side. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square 4 into length of one side. Now we'll talk about the unit of perimeter. What is the unit of perimeter? The unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length or side. जो भी हमें side की unit दी होगी वही perimeter की unit होगी. If the length of the side is rectilinear figure is in meter, तो unit क्या हो जाएगी? Meter, perimeter की. Now we'll take an example. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are 12 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 20 centimeter long. So perimeter of the triangle, sum of all sides means 12 plus 14 plus 20, 46 centimeter. That is the perimeter of given triangle. Next is evolution time 10.1. Find the perimeter of the following figure. So we have to find the perimeter of this triangle. Sum of all sides means 6 plus 8 plus 11. That is 25 centimeter. Clear? Next, fill the table. Here the rectangle we have given length and breadth. So perimeter 2L plus B. Length is 30 and breadth is 12. 30 plus 12, 42. 84 centimeter. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is area of the plane figure. Now we'll talk about the area. What is the area? Area of plane figure is the measurement of the region enclosed by its boundary. जो boundary के अंदर का जो भी region होगा, whether what kind of figure, it's depend on what kind of figure it is. So the region enclosed by the boundary. Boundary के अंदर का जो भी area होगा, that is known as, जो भी region होगा, that is known as area. Area problems is one of the most common mensuration of our everyday life. Unit of area की बात करें, if the length of the side of the plane figure is in meter, then the unit of area is square meter or meter square. Always area को हम square unit पे measure करते हैं. Since area equals to side to side, so unit क्या हो जाएगी? अगर meter है side की तो meter into meter, meter square. The basic unit of area in SI is square meter. Next, to find the area of the regular figures with the help of formulas. So here some formulas are given. Area of rectangle length into breadth, length of rectangle area of rectangle divided by breadth, breadth of the rectangle area of rectangle divided by length, area of square side into side means side square. Here we'll take an example. Find the area of the given rectangle if area of each part is 1 centimeter. So we'll count total number of square. Total number of square is 24. The area of given figure 24 into 1, 24 centimeter square. Another way क्या हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 4, 24 centimeter square length into breadth. Clear? Next is evolution time 10.2. Find the area of the following figure. The area of each small figure is 1 centimeter. So we'll count this length and breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6. 36 centimeters square. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is look back. The sum of the length of all sides of plane figure is called the perimeter of the figure. The perimeter of triangle is the sum of length of its all three sides. Perimeter of rectangle, that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square, 4 into length of one side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle, 3 into length of one side. The unit of perimeter is same as the unit of its side. If the length of the side of the plane figure is in meter, then the unit of area is square meter or meter square. The area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length of rectangle, area divided by breadth. Breadth of the rectangle, area divided by length. Area of the square, side into side means side square. Let's recall. So practice all the given questions. Next is mental zone. The area of rectangle. Area of rectangle L into B. Next is multiple choice questions. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. C is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope आप सबको chapter अच्छे समझ में आ गया है. Now to practice it.